Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact drive or image you want to recover from and noting its type and free space. This prevents accidental overwrites. Once that's clear, install Get Data Back and apply updates, then close all other programs so the scan gets full access. Next, open the program, select the target volume, and pick Quick Scan to save time. Make sure the recovery output folder is on a different physical drive. This protects recoverable files from being overwritten during the process. Once Quick Scan finishes, review the preview thumbnails and metadata. If key files are absent, switch to Deep Scan and let it run without interruption. This digs into low-level structures and can take hours. While it runs, prepare filters. Choose file types, size limits, and date ranges to narrow results, which speeds selection later. Use the program's preview to confirm file integrity, and when you mark items, preserve original path structure so folder organization stays intact during recovery. You finish by selecting the marked files and recovering them to a separate physical drive. This prevents further damage to the source. After recovery, verify file integrity, open documents, play media, and check checksums if available, and keep a simple log of file names and sizes for follow-up. If files are corrupt, try rescanning with different settings or use dedicated repair tools. A critical troubleshooting tip: if recovery repeatedly fails, stop and create a disk image of the source. Work from the image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.